Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to allow images permission on the X, formerly Twitter, app on your PC after the latest update. If your feed has been looking dull or some images just won't load, this quick guide will fix that in no time. Stick around and follow each step carefully. First, go ahead and open the Twitter app on your desktop. Make sure you're logged into your account so all your settings can be saved right where you want them. Once the app has loaded, take a look at the top of the page and find the three dots icon. It's usually on the upper right corner. Click on it to open a small menu. From that menu, find the option labeled Privacy. This is where all your account and display controls are located. Once you're in Privacy, select Manage Privacy Settings. A new window will open showing different categories of permissions for your Twitter app. Next, scroll down until you see permissions for this site. This section is where you can control what the Twitter app can display or access while you're using it. Go ahead and click to enter that section. Inside, you'll see a list of content types with toggle or drop-down options next to them. Find the one that says Images. Right next to it, there should be a menu showing choices like Block, Ask, or Allow. Simply choose Allow. This tells your browser and the Twitter app that it's okay to show images when you browse. After selecting Allow, close the settings window. You might want to refresh your page or restart the app to make sure the new permissions take effect. Once that's done, your feed should now display all images smoothly again, just like before. That's it. You've successfully allowed images permission on the X, Twitter app using your PC. If this helped you out, don't forget to share it with someone who might be facing the same issue. Thanks for watching.